Are you looking for a camper under 3,000 pounds of dry weight with a bathroom? You're in the right place. Today, we'll explore more than 10 fantastic options that combine lightweight design with the convenience of having a bathroom on board. Welcome to our comprehensive guide. At Camper Outdoor, we've handpicked campers under 3,000 pounds that not only keep it light on the scales, but also heavy on convenience, and not only because they have a toilet and a shower, because they are remarkable floor plans. When it comes to the ideal camper, we know that light is right, especially when it's equipped with a bathroom. That's the real game changer. So whether you're a solo traveler, a couple seeking a cozy setup, or a small family planning a weekend getaway, we've got you covered with options that stay under the 3,000-pound dry weight mark. Choosing the perfect floor plan is where the fun begins, but finding a proper bathroom with a toilet, a shower, and walls around, not just a cassette toilet or a portable toilet. That is a challenge. But fear not. We've scoured the market to bring you a lineup that combines efficiency, functionality, and of course, that essential bathroom. Because, let's be honest, hitting the road should never mean sacrificing comfort. In our in-depth review, we focused on campers with both dry baths and full dry baths, complete even with a hand basin. No wet baths in this video. And if you're new to the world of RV toilets, check out the link in the video description for a detailed guide. These campers are tailor-made for solo travelers, couples, small families, or a group of weekend travelers. They're not just lightweight. They're short, making them a breeze to tow with a small car or a SUV. Can you live in one of these wonders? Absolutely. It all depends on what you're looking for in your travel experience. So are you ready to explore the world without compromising on comfort? Stick around for our in-depth reviews of these ultralight campers under 3,000 pounds with bathrooms that redefine travel convenience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more RV insights. Let's make your travel dreams a reality. Alright folks, let's kick off our ultralight adventure with the KZRV Sportsmen Classic Travel Trailers. Now, when we say ultralight, we mean it. These campers are a dream for solo travelers, couples, and families alike. The Sportsmen Classic series has been a fan favorite for decades, and today we're about to find out why. Feast your eyes on 5 fantastic floor plans, each a gym under 3,000 pounds and with a dry bathroom. These campers range from almost 17 feet to a cozy 22 feet. And because we believe in showing you the best, let's handpick 3 of them to give you a taste of their brilliant design and functionality. Let's start first with the lightest and smallest. The Sportsmen Classic 130RB, a lightweight marvel in the KZRV Sportsmen Classic Travel Trailers collection. Weighing in at under 2,500 pounds, this travel trailer is perfect for those seeking efficiency without sacrificing comfort. The dry bath, featuring only a shower and toilet, no hand basin, adds to the streamlined design, making it an ideal choice for solo travelers or couples on the go. The clever use of space includes a 54 inches dinette that easily transforms into a cozy bed for 2, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. With no slide out and a compact length of just 16 feet 9 inches, the 130RB is a graceful and practical option for adventurers who value simplicity and functionality in their travels. Let's shift our focus to 2 closely related floor plans, the 160QB and 170MB. These models share similarities, but offer distinct features that cater to different preferences. The primary distinction lies in the bed configuration. The Sportsmen Classic 160QB boasts a fixed queen bed, providing a consistent sleeping space. On the other hand, the 170MB introduces a Queen Murphy bed paired with a sofa, offering versatile use of the interior space. Despite both models having the same length at 22 feet and similar overall dimensions, the 170MB creates an illusion of a more spacious interior. Throughout the day, you can enjoy meals at the booth dinette and later relax on the comfortable sofa in the 170MB. As night falls, the convenience of a pull-down Queen Murphy bed ensures a restful sleep, while the 170MB bathroom offers more space. The 160QB takes the lead with its superior closet design. With these floor plan options, there's something to suit every taste, and your choice depends on your specific preferences and priorities. And that's just the beginning. Our last floor plan is the Sportsmen Classic 180BH Travel Trailer. It is a floor plan tailored for a family of 4 or a group of friends seeking a bunkhouse setup. With a length of just under 22 feet and the absence of slide-outs, this travel trailer stands out as a remarkably lightweight option, staying comfortably below the 3,000-pound mark. Designed with practicality and efficiency in mind, The 180BH offers a smart solution for those who prioritize a bunkhouse layout. Ideal for small families, this travel trailer ensures everyone has their own space to rest and relax without the added complexity of slide-outs. The 180BH remains handy and easy to tow, making it a fantastic choice for those who appreciate simplicity without compromising on comfort. Explore more details and insights in our comprehensive buyer's guide, linked in the description below. Next in our exploration of lightweight campers is the 2024 Forest River R-Pod RPO190C. This travel trailer is more than just a camper. It's an affordable, lightweight off-road adventurer's dream with its impressive off-road suspension. Let's take a look at the floor plan. As you step inside, you'll notice a massive dinette positioned at the back, providing a cozy spot to unwind after a day of exploration. The cleverly designed layout includes a single slide-out in the middle, expanding into a spacious full kitchen equipped with a large refrigerator, a 2-burner cooktop, a microwave oven, and, of course, a full dry bath for added convenience. Towards the front, a comfortable queen bed awaits, ensuring a good night's sleep for your next day's adventures. The R-Pod RP190CE is clearly an excellent choice for couples seeking an off-road camper under 3,000 pounds. Small, it is less than 21 feet long, and with all the comforts of home. Uncover additional comparisons and valuable information to help you make the best choice for your next or first camper purchase with our buyer's guide and reviews. Click the link in the video description below and visit camperoutdoor.com. Now let's dive into the world of Jayco RV with the J-Flight SLX series, compact enough for city maneuvering yet tough enough for the great outdoors. Our spotlight camper is the Jayco J-Flight's LX154BHW, weighing in at 2640 pounds and stretching 18 feet long. Perfect for a family of 4, it's not only an ideal first family RV, but also budget-friendly for those weekend getaways. Equipped with convenient features like a shower, toilet, and dry bathroom, this camper ensures you spend more time enjoying your surroundings and less time hassling with your RV setup. Inside, you'll find a set of bunk beds and a booth dinette that easily transforms into an extra bed. The private bathroom includes a shower and toilet for added convenience. Storage is a breeze with a wardrobe at the entrance. Built on a fully integrated frame with galvanized steel and impact-resistant wheel wells, it boasts quality from the ground up. Features like electric self-adjusting brakes, easy lube hubs, Magnum truss roof system, and more make this camper a reliable companion for your adventures. The customer value package adds essential elements like stabilizer jacks, Goodyear Endurance tires, and J Smart LED lighting. There are optional packages that bring extra perks like a 30-pound LOP bottle, a large freshwater tank, Goodyear off-road tires, an enclosed underbelly, a double entry step, and a deluxe graphics package. So Jayco's got you covered. Is this travel trailer your favorite? Which one is? What are you waiting for? Tell me in the comments. Shifting our focus to something completely different, let's explore the 2024 Riverside Retro 135, a true retro camper. Embracing a nostalgic vibe with modern comforts, the Retro 135 is a fantastic pick for enthusiasts of new retro campers. This travel trailer, weighing under 3,000 pounds, boasts a dry bath and a floor plan tailored for couples. With no bunkhouse design, this camper offers a cozy sleeping capacity of 3, featuring a comfortable queen bed. With no slides out, it's a sleek and lightweight option perfect for couples seeking ultralight campers under 3,000 pounds, complete with a convenient bathroom. If you are into a vintage camper style, the Riverside Retro 135 has a timeless charm. Let's move to the next camper. Introducing the new 2024 Rockwood Geo Pro G1 5 FDID travel trailer by Forest River. The ideal floor plan for solo travelers. Packed with unique features, this compact and lightweight single-axle trailer is perfect for those seeking adventure in a convenient package measuring under 18 feet in length. Let's take a look at the floor plan. The front Murphy bed, coupled with the U-shaped dinette beneath, optimizes space, ensuring a comfortable and versatile living area. Enjoy a rear entry door with more ride steps, a folding side roof ladder, and the convenience of a 12-volt smart TV. The full bathroom features a toilet and a separate shower for added comfort, with a roof-mounted solar panel, an 1800-watt inverter, and tire pressure monitoring. This Geo Pro G1 5 FD offers a range of amenities to enhance your travel experience. For more information, visit camperoutdoor.com. Let's move to the next RV of this review. Next on our review is the 2024 Primetime Avenger LT16RD Travel Trailer, a lightweight and versatile camper weighing just under 3,000 pounds. Ideal for towing, this travel trailer packs a punch with its thoughtful floor plan. In the front, you'll find a cozy queen bed with a nightstand, providing a comfortable sleeping space. The spacious full, dry bath features a skylight shower, adding a touch of luxury to your travels. Moving towards the back, a wide U-dinette offers flexibility in sleeping arrangements, accommodating up to 4 people. The kitchen boasts a 2-burner stove, a residential microwave, and a residential refrigerator, ensuring you have all the essentials. The Avenger 16RDE is a top contender among any of these campers under 3,000 pounds. Discover the compact yet comfortable No Boundaries 16.1 travel trailer by Forest River, a gem in the rugged towable line. With its exceptional lightweight design, versatility, and towability, this trailer is a game changer. Let's delve into the floor plan, where the dinette transforms into a truly queen-size bed for a restful night's sleep. The well-equipped kitchen ensures you have everything needed to whip up delicious meals on the go. What sets it apart is the remarkable bathroom, with separated toilet and shower compartments, providing convenience and functionality. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts or solo travelers, the No Boundaries 16.1 offers adaptable storage for kayaks, bikes, paddleboards, surfboards, skis, and fishing gear. All this is done while maintaining a dry weight suitable for a wide range of smaller tow vehicles. And this is indeed an affordable camper for couples to travel light. Let's dive into the Coachmen Clipper Cadet 17CF Q Travel Trailer, a compact camper with big features. Let's explore the floor plan of this small yet comfortable trailer, boasting a rear bath for added convenience. The queen bed up front promises a restful night's sleep, complemented by ample storage in bedside wardrobes, nightstands, and an overhead shelf. Meal preparation is a breeze with the 2-burner cooktop, refrigerator, and sink. The booth dinette provides a cozy space for indoor dining, while the 12-foot patio awning invites you to enjoy meals outdoors. Don't miss the spacious pass-through storage compartment, in front perfect for stowing camp chairs and outdoor games. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and must-have features for your dream camper in the comments below about these magnificent travel trailers under 3,000 pounds and about 18-19 and less than 25 feet. Now, let's talk about prices. We've included some camper prices in the video description below for your convenience, but let's talk about the elephant in the room. Those numbers are the manufacturer's suggested retail prices MSRP in US dollars. Now, MSRP is like the sticker price on a car. It's the highest figure you might see. But guess what? Your local dealership might have a few tricks up their sleeve and offer you a better deal. So while we've got you covered with some ballpark figures, it's always a good idea to reach out to your friendly neighborhood dealership for the latest, greatest, and most accurate pricing information. After all, a good deal is like a fine wine. It gets better with time. Thanks for watching. Happy camping and happy hunting for that perfect deal. See you in our next video.